Now, when the form is submitted, we only submit two values, weight and the cost for this weight. But we also need extra 3 fields when we actually add in the records to, obviously, our rates table. We need a type to indicate which type is associated with, as well as the zone and a country. So what we're going to do now is object valid, and we're going to add to our post array the value type, the index type rather, and the value ID, then object valid again. We're going for another post. This time it's going to be zone, and the zone will be ZID. And then we go for object valid underscore post country. Because we are inside of the local section, then we simply use the constant value of the constant country local. Now it's time to add the record. So if object shipping, add shipping, and object valid, we pass in the entire post array. So if it's been added, fine, then we're going to do something else. Otherwise, else, we are going to again throw the exception. And I'm going to again copy these 2 lines here. Inside of the else statement, we're going to append it to the weight field again, so it's next to this field. And the message will be record could not be added. And the same for the exception. But if it was added successfully, the first thing to do, we're going to create replace array. And after this, we start with replace shipping list. And it's going to be plugin get admin directory separator shipping cost, and then array. And I'm going to put them on new lines, rows shipping, and then we have object URL, which is this object URL. Now we haven't got a shipping yet, so let's quickly create this array right before this element. So we have shipping, object shipping, and we go for get shipping by type zone, and we pass ID and zone ID. The type ID and zone ID. Okay, so we've got all these records. If we scroll down a little bit, and now simply echo helper JSON array, and we go for error false and replace array. And that's everything inside of this file. We obviously have used 2 new methods here. One is duplicate local, and the other one is add shipping. And we're going to be working on both of these in the next video.